It's dead.
It's still filming.
It's about to die though.
It's at 20%, okay? What are we doing, Brooke?
We're exploring.
Exploring the Piedmont Park. And we're getting Woody's cheesesteaks.
We're gonna have a trick competition on the birds.
We're gonna try not to die on the birds. There's a difference. This is me and Brooke's day off in Piedmont. Well, my day off.
Your day off.
Brooke's kinda day off. Stay tuned for food. Oh, greatness. So good. Sketch. Show people what we're on.
I've got
It's awfully slow in here. It's like just fast enough to balance on. Not sketchy.
Dig that. I'm feeling this one.
That's what I deal with every time we go in one of these places. Okay. Tries like 8 hats on, never buys one.
My clock didn't look good at my face.
Ever.
This one looks better.
Out here are crazy in the wilderness. Brooke with her hair flowing. Soon. Look, something's coming soon.